Good morning. I'm just popping in at our project here on Georgian Bay. You see in the back here, we're building a brand new cottage. So, and I just had some thoughts about where I was in this property and where we are today. And I know that there's this talk in the marketplace about the market and these interest rates and whether it's a good time to buy, and we're going to wait and see if these rates are going to come back down and so forth. And basically, I can't tell you how incorrect that approach is. So here's a property that when I got involved in it, the original purchase price on it for a 40-acre parcel with 700 feet of beach frontage on Georgian Bay was around $1.2 million. The market had crashed, and I got involved, and maybe you would have got an appraisal at the time of $435,000. And notwithstanding that, I still proceeded to buy this property out and at the original purchase price, and kind of hanging and wondering what my strategies were. Whenever you make an investment into real estate, you have to look at what your short-term goals are and what your long-term goals are. Obviously, the long-term play here was to develop the site and so forth. And notwithstanding the prices and the appraisals that I was getting, I decided to proceed anyways. And I bought into this property at that excess value of $1.2 million. And, I had a strategy that I would start assembling lands all around it and average out my investment. And that's exactly what I did. I got options on lands, and that I registered with property owners on title. And there's a bit of a story to tell on that, which, if you're at the real estate center, you'll hear more about it in my workshops on creating wealth in real estate. So notwithstanding that, I had options on lands, and today, actually, of all times, I'm going to have 175 acres deeded to me for a nominal fee of $10. This property today is worth well beyond $1.2 million. At the time when I bought in at a price of $1.2 million, it might have been worth $435,000. And the point is this: you can't pick a better time to buy real estate, and you couldn't be in a better place in the world to invest into real estate in one of the most metropolizing cities of the world. Don't be discouraged by interest rates. At the time when I bought on here, interest rates are at 8%. And you got to have a short-term strategy and a long-term strategy. Obviously, my long-term strategy here is my development with I have close to over 250 acres now with 700 feet of beach frontage on Georgian Bay. These places here, apparently, this cottage will rent out for close to $10,000 a week in the off-season. There's always a short-term play and a long-term play. And, I think that we can't be manipulated by the press, the negativity of interest rates. These interest rates are normal interest rates, and you've always got to play the long-term gain in real estate. And, of course, your greatest and biggest gains in real estate is when you change the use, which is our specialty here at the Real Estate Center. So just thought I'd drop in a little bit of a line here. Get out there and get into the market. Buy a property. These are great interest rates, and you can't pick a better time and a better place in the world than to be investing into real estate. And if you want to learn how to create serious wealth in real estate, give us a call at the Real Estate Center, and we could gladly invite you to one of our workshops and talk about your future in this business. Make it a great day. Create wealth in real estate. Take the leap of faith. Be an entrepreneur. Buy land and hold on and change the use. Bye for now.